In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags on Mailchimp, a process you can complete in just about 5 minutes. Organizing your audience with tags can give you the power to send out more targeted campaigns, ensuring your messaging reaches the right people. So let's dive in step by step and make this process simple for you. First off, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to mailchimp.com and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If this is your first time logging in, keep in mind that having your login details handy will save you some time. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu where you'll see various options. Click on Audience, as that's where all your contact information resides. This is your go-to section for managing how you interact with different people on your list. Now, if you're handling multiple audiences, you'll need to focus on the specific one you want to organize or manage. So go ahead and select the appropriate audience from the list you see. Doing so ensures that you're interacting with the right set of contacts, preventing any mix-ups in your campaigns. After selecting your audience, you'll see more options appear. Navigate to the section labelled Manage Contacts. A drop-down menu will show up and you'll want to select tags from this list. Tags are a fantastic way to differentiate segments within your audience for more granular targeting. Next, it's time to create a tag. Look for the button that says Create Tag and give it a click. This is where you'll input the specific designation you want to apply. Think about what type of segmentation makes sense for your audience, whether it's VIP customers, leads, or newsletter subscribers. The more specific and relevant, the better your targeting will be. Once you've chosen a name for your tag, enter it into the provided field. Consider how this will help you better target your communications. A clear and descriptive tag name can make all the difference when deciding who to communicate with about certain topics or promotions. Finally, all there's left to do is hit save. With that click, your tag is successfully created and ready for use in your campaigns. Now you'll be able to quickly filter and engage with specific groups as you see fit, enhancing your communication efforts. And there you have it. By organizing your Mailchimp audience with effective tags, you can elevate the precision of your outreach strategy, ensuring each campaign you launch is more tailored and impactful. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging.